Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into the Greenlife non-stick fry pan set, a duo that promises to make your everyday cooking not only easier but also healthier. This set includes a 7-inch and a 10-inch skillet, both finished in a cheerful turquoise color that's sure to add a pop of brightness to your kitchen. At the heart of these pans is Greenlife's healthy ceramic non-stick coating. What's remarkable about this coating is its origin. It's derived from sand, which is a fantastic starting point for a cookware product. This means you're getting a surface that's designed for effortless food release, meaning your pancakes won't stick, your eggs will slide right off, and omelets will be a dream to prepare and clean up after. And speaking of cleanup, that's one of the major selling points here. They are dishwasher safe, which is always a welcome convenience, but the brand also emphasizes that most messes simply wipe away. This ceramic coating is a major draw for anyone looking to avoid traditional non-stick chemicals. That brings us to the toxin-free aspect. Greenlife explicitly states that their coating is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This is a really important consideration for health-conscious consumers. Knowing that your cookware isn't leaching harmful chemicals into your food as you cook can provide a lot of peace of mind. This commitment to healthier materials is something that sets this set apart. The pans are also described as expert-designed cookware, crafted to meet the demands of both home cooks and professional chefs. While we're reviewing them for home use, this suggests a level of quality and performance that should hold up to regular cooking. They also feature wobble-free bases. This is a crucial detail for even heating. A pan that heats evenly ensures that your food cooks uniformly, without hot spots that can lead to burning in one area while another remains undercooked. In terms of performance, these pans deliver on most stovetops, with the notable exception of induction. So, if you have an induction cooktop, these might not be the right fit for you. They are oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which adds a nice layer of versatility. You can start something on the stovetop and finish it in the oven without needing to transfer it to a different dish. Another significant feature is that the cookware vessels are made with recycled materials. A minimum of 65% recycled materials are used in the construction, excluding the handles. This is a fantastic initiative by Greenlife, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers who want to make sustainable choices in their purchasing decisions. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons based on these details. On the pro side, the healthy ceramic non-stick coating is a huge advantage, offering both easy release and simple cleanup. The toxin-free nature of the coating is a major health benefit. The wobble-free bases and even heating are excellent for consistent cooking results. The dishwasher-safe feature, combined with the easy-to-wipe surface, makes post-meal cleanup a breeze. The oven-safe capability up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit adds versatility. Finally, the use of recycled materials in construction is a commendable eco-friendly aspect. However, there are a few cons to consider. The most significant limitation is that these pans are not compatible with induction stovetops. This will be a deal-breaker for some households. While the oven-safe temperature is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, this might be limiting for recipes that require higher oven temperatures. Also, while the description mentions they are expert-designed, the actual long-term durability and performance compared to high-end professional cookware would require more extensive testing over time. In conclusion, the Greenlife non-stick fry pan set offers a compelling combination of health-conscious materials, user-friendly features, and an attractive design. If you're looking for a non-stick set that prioritizes your well-being, is easy to clean, and adds a touch of color to your kitchen, and you don't have an induction stovetop, these pans are definitely worth considering. They seem like a solid choice for everyday cooking needs. Link in the description.